Dear students, today we are going to study capital budgeting and investment decision method. Whenever a business person or an investor want to know where to invest, then he will think about the returns which will he gain from the investment or the project in which he is going to invest his money. So there are some scientific method to find out where to invest. These scientific methods are involved in capital budgeting. Basically, capital budgeting involves planning for capital assets, and planning for capital assets is based on three things, that is payback period, NPV, net present value, and IRR, that means internal rate of return. Payback period means the duration in which the whole invested amount will be recovered. So today we will study these all things in detail. In this lecture we are going to cover definition of budget, budget sector and types of budget, capital budgeting, importance of capital budgeting project, categorization, capital budgeting, 8 steps of capital budgeting, and evaluation criteria, capital investment appraisal. So let's start. First of all, what you understand by budget? We generally talk, I don't have budget to buy this thing, I have budget to buy this thing. We all are acquainted with the word budget. Budgeting is a management tool for planning and controlling future activity. In general language, we can say, what is budget? Budget is a management tool. With the help of this tool, we plan and control our future activities. Financial buzzwords, a plan for saving, borrowing and spending. If we want to describe budget in the language of finance, then we can say budget is a plan for saving, borrowing and spending. Budget is a financial plan and a list of all planned expenses and revenues. More detailed definition of budget is here. Budget is a financial plan and a list of all planned expenses and revenues which are going to be happen. Now next topic is budget types. Budget type basis of flexibility. On this basis, there are two types of budget, fixed and variable budget. On the basis of time period, we can divide into parts, short term and long term budget. And the third, basis of functionality, sales budget, production budget, marketing budget, project budget, revenue budget, cash flow or cash budget. Now the main topic of today's lecture, capital budgeting. What we understand by capital? Capital is operating assets used for production. The money which we use to earn more money, that is capital. Budget, a plan that details projected cash flow during some period. Now, capital budgeting, process of analyzing projects and deciding which one is included in capital budget. Importance of capital budget. Why capital budget is important? For growth, large amount, inversibility, complexity, risk, and long-term implications. Benefit of capital budget decisions. Capital budgeting decisions evaluate a proposed project to forecast return from the project and determine whether return from the project is adequate or not. Capital budgeting decisions evaluate expenditure decisions which involve current outflow of funds but are likely to produce benefits over a period of time more than 1 year. Capital budgeting, project categorization. How we make a capital budget? Establishment of new product and services, expansion of existing project, research and development projects, long-term contracts, safety and environmental projects. Capital budgeting is planning process used to determine a firm's long-term investment such as a new machinery, replacement of machinery, new plants, new products and research and development projects. Capital budgeting 8 steps. Have a good idea, realize the need of a project. Second, look for suitable project. Third, identify and consider alternatives. 4. Carry out financial analysis, capital investment appraisal. Analysis alternative and identify feasible alternatives. Choose the project to undertake. Next, monitor project along with rest of organization and carry out post completion audit. These were main steps of a capital budget. Evaluation criteria, capital investment proposal. What is the evaluation criteria to evaluate a capital budget or investment proposal? Non-discounting criteria and discounting criteria. There are 2 types of criteria to evaluate capital investment proposal. Non-discounting discounting criteria, we have 2 methods, payback period method, and second is ARR, average rate of return method. In discounting criteria, we have 4 types of methods: discounted PBP, payback period, NPV method, net present value method, profitability index method, or internal rate of return. Let's start with non-discounting payback period. First, payback period method. It is defined as the number of years required to recover original cost invested in a project. In this method, we find out in how much years we will recover original cost which we have invested in our project. It has 2 conditions. When cash inflow is constant every year. Cash inflow may be 2 types: constant every year or not constant every year. If the cash flow is constant every year, then payback period will be cash outflow divided by cash inflow per annum. Second condition, when cash inflow are not constant every year, then payback period equal to completed years plus required inflow divided by inflow of next year into 12. When we will use this formula, we will find out payback period in the condition of not constant cash inflow. Non-discounting criteria, annual rate of return or average rate of return method. ARR means the average annual earning on the project. Under this method, profit after tax and depreciation is considered. The average rate of return can be calculated in the following two ways. First, ARR on average investment equal to average profit after tax divided by average investment into 100. The second method is ARR on initial investment. Initial investment means the primary investment which we have made to start our project equal to average profit after tax divided by initial investment into 100. Discounting criteria, payback period. Third method is discounted payback period method. In discounted payback period method, the cash inflow are discounted by applying the present value factor for different time periods. For this discounted cash inflow are calculated by multiplying the present value factor into cash inflow. Discounted payback period equal to completed years plus required inflow divided by inflow of next year into 12. Next method, net present value method, NPV method. It is the best method to evaluate of investment proposal. This method takes account time value of money, net present value equal to present value of inflow minus present value of outflow. Evaluation of net present value method, how we will evaluate under this method. Project with the higher NPV should be selected, except if net present value is greater than 0. Reject, may or may not accept. There are three conditions. If NPV is greater than 0, is NPV net present value is less than 0, and NPV equal to 0. When NPV is greater than 0, then we can accept the project. If NPV is less than 0, we should not accept the project. And the third and last one, NPV equal to 0, we may or may not accept the project. Discounted criteria profitability indexed. Fifth method, profitability index method. As the NPV method, it is also so that project is accepted or not. If profitability index is higher than 1, the proposal can be accepted. When profitability index is greater than 1, and rejected if profitability index is less than 1. How we will calculate profitability index? Total cash inflow divided by total cash outflows. Next method, internal rate of return method. IRR is the rate of return that a project earns. The rate of discount calculated by trial and error, where the present value of future cash flows is equal to the present value of outflows, is known as the internal rate of return. IRR equal to higher rate minus NPV of higher rate divided by difference in cash flow into difference in rate. IRR equal to lower rate plus NPV of lower rate divided by difference in cash flows into difference in rate. In this method, we find out internal rate of return by trial and error method.